Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko figure, this one from the 5-star series, Harry Potter, Rubeus Hagrid. Let's take a look at the box. Now this kind of product seems to be a little less collector friendly than just the regular Funko figures. Just because of the fact that, let's see, you got the figure, you've got his umbrella, and you've got his Happy Birthday Harry cake. It's all from the first movie. Anyway, you've got a lot of little features here, or, I mean, shipping choices that kind of make it hard to be able to pop out the figure and just take a look at it, which most people do. You know, the regular Funko Pop, you can do that. But in this case, since they're kind of more detailed figures or whatever, the parts are smaller, they come tied up with these little plastic straps, so that makes them a bit harder to take out. The figure is probably one of the simpler parts, actually. I'm actually really liking this one. The wands are also very simple. It's the secondary accessory that's a little tough to pop out. In this case, since it's a kind of rectangle, it's fairly simple. Not as hard as the other one. So, here's what we got. So let's start off with that wand, or the parasol, umbrella thingy. This is kind of like his wand, I guess. What a good detailing. Again, the detailing on these figures is amazing, great. But also, it seems like they're not really meant to, none of these accessories are meant to be, I don't know, connected to the figure itself. Whereas in something like the Figurant or some of the Nendroid or something like that, all the pieces are meant to be connected, you know, and make your own choice, stuff like that. Happy Birthday Harry, great detail here on the cake. Again, I'm seeing a lot of this. I saw this with the book as well. This might be happening because of the strap. Wherever the strap is, there seems to be a bit of, you know, like the actual accessory was a little warmer still in the mold, but if you look here, the strap is almost exactly where the kind of pinching occurs. You saw that also with Hermione's book. Don't know if that's a thing that's going to be happening a lot. Let's take a look at Hagrid himself. Again, we've got the anime eyes, in this case a nice light brown color. Very bearded fellow. Long hair. Because of that, head does not turn very well. Nice molded on eyebrows. There's his mouth and nose. When it comes to moving his extremities, got a limited amount of movement. Still, it's okay. And pop in that thing right there, you see? That looks like it fits. There you go, Harry. You got your thing here. Ooh. Okay, let's pop this off him. Nice hefty figure. Has nice rosy cheeks, I noticed. Bottom, standard licensing stuff. And there you have them. From the 5-star series, from Harry Potter, Rubeus Hagrid. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want notifications on when I put out a new video, hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.